I'll be using a flat angle brush, using anklets. Uy! Uy! Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, is we're gonna create a popsicle and ice cream face paint. Using this Dramaface. It's what you call face and body painting kit, and it has stencils, freeze brushes. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this color, face and body paint, I haven't used it yet. So it has like neon color. So excited. I'm not gonna be using their brush. I have my own brush. Okay, I have already used their stencil, so I love it. That's why. Yeah, let's get started. So this is Misha Perfect Cover number 21. I'll be using a flat angle brush, using anklets. Uy! Uy! Wow! Lumabog. Eh, ano ba? How is that possible? Alright, next would be putting concealer from ColourPop, and it's the color Light 12. Okay, and by the way guys, this is hairline. Okay, so for the eyebrows, like that. This one guys, it looks like it's more dark. Maybe it's because I'm lacking of one light here guys. Wala na isang light. Okay, so finally guys, we're gonna be using UCANBE Dramaface and So we're gonna be painting our face, and I'm just gonna be copying a picture here. I'll put the picture here. Okay. So this is the stencil for the ice cream. So for the popsicle. So let's get started and paint guys. So I'll be using this. Looks like it's pigmented. Wow. What happened? What happened? Why?
24 hours later.
Okay, I think I need to put concealer first. Looks like the color is not that pigmented, so we need to put concealer. I think it's ready, so let's try this blue. Okay, I'm gonna get angry if this is not gonna work. Okay, now it's working. It's not that pigmented and I'm not happy. Maybe I need to, okay, use my hands. This is faster.
2 hours later.
So this is like the outcome. Okay, so next thing would be paint guys. Okay, now I can see you. Okay, I forgot the concealer. Because I envisioned this to have a popsicle, and then I just added an ice cream on this part so that it'll be like there's a variety. The pink is like going nowhere. Oh. Okay guys, so this is the pink. Okay, it's looking like an ice cream. Concealer first. So guys, there's a trick like a wet tissue, and it works. Diba? Use the brush.
2 hours later.
And guys, naputol. It's from ColourPop. Hello, ColourPop. Naputol. Naputol yung brush.
So guys, don't forget your concealer,
Okay, and next would be
and then
purple
apply
here.
the pink, and then from there put a concealer, and then put yellow, purple, and blue. That's
Ice
it.
cream. Almost done. Yes, so next is the brown. Okay, but first of all, of course, don't forget the concealer because this color is not sticking properly. There's already a concealer, so brown.
Don't forget the brown.
Alright, so almost done, guys. Ta-da! For the eyes, we'll be using same palette. It's from Hairline.
We're gonna be using the lightest shade, like a
Next
concealer
would be
from
this
this
color.
Play to Slay, and then pink shade from this palette, and blend it using a blending
Let's
brush.
blend it. And I'll get back. So this is a white liquid eyeliner that I bought on Shopee, guys. So done, guys. Okay, so we'll be doing highlighting our face, and that's it. I'll get back. And for the lips, guys, I'll be using Smink Beauty. This is my favorite, Sugar Rush. And of course, contour. See ya. I'll see you guys later. And let's transform. So this is it, guys. Ta-da! Ice cream. So I really had fun making this ice cream and popsicle, and I created it myself, and also I'm proud of it. I hope you learned something from this video. Also, if you do like this video, please hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll get updated with my latest video. So what I can say about that Dramaface, I'm not that impressed, to be honest with you. I don't like it. UCANBE sucks. So I just did my best to make it work like this, and it just happened that I do have this white liquid eyeliner to make it popping, or to make it pop. Yes. So yeah, and that's about it. So I hope you learned, or like you enjoyed this video. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See ya on my next video, guys. Bye.
Stay safe, calm, and have a good vibe, everyone. See ya.
orange hair. And I love it. And I curled my hair and then little ponytail. Yeah. My original hair, guys, is curly, so that's why. And my hair is already damaged. Okay.